Yes, so viewers and subscribers, before I start the video, I just want to state this. I tell you that the poverty and crime in Jamaica. I tell you that the judicial system where we have in place where we prosecute and punish the wrongdoers. I tell you that the 9 to 5 where we have to get up every day and still can't make two ends meet because of the low minimum wage. I tell you that the government system and them empty promise. I tell you that the bad man them will just a walk and a kill off the innocent people them and abuse the society. I tell you that the police them when not do them job where a walk around and a kill off the innocent man them while the real killers and wrongdoers them still a walk free. I tell you that the man them and the woman them will just a run down the fast life and don't realize say it is best to work hard for what you want because every decision is a choice and every choice have a repercussion. So viewers and subscribers, me not lie, me just tell you that everything. What's up people, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and I'm just praying that each and every one of you is having a very peaceful and prosperous day, night, etc. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make we kick it off like a ball.
Roberto Carlos hardball with the sex so we don't worry your Cornwall.
Hey everyone, I'm just here really quickly with a quick update on Spice. I promised you guys that I would keep you guys in the loop, and anytime I found anything out, I would let you guys know. I wasn't getting much updates, but I got one today. And
people, today in this video we have dancehall queen Spice, who most people claimed that she had an heart attack and fall into a coma, even though we're still not sure because the information is kind of sketchy. Well, right now people may have all of the latest information on the dancehall queen health situation. Also, Rushane Patterson was charged for offenses unrelated to Slickianna's murdered and was also beaten by the cops while being questioned. But anyways people, you know the thing already, you know how it go. We are gonna just jump in at the intro and come right back to the stories them. So no don't go nowhere, we soon forward.
I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Yes, and now people, we all know the situation that is taking place with Spice and what is going on in the media about Spice doing a plastic surgery and getting an heart attack and falling into a coma. Enough people claim that this is true and enough people think that it is not. So people, news broke out a couple days ago that dancehall queen Spice was in a medical induced coma after complications doing designer body surgery in the Dominican Republic. It is also being reported that some organs were punctured during the procedure and her sister left Jamaica to fly to be by Spice's side for love, support and comfort. So people, I want to listen what a girl has say and tell me what you think down into the comment section.
And for those of you looking for an update on Spice, I have not received an update just yet. All I know is that she had surgery. She was sent right back to the recovery house. I found out what recovery house she's in. I just don't know who her surgeon is. Besides, I would never release her where she's at. I would never release that information. But I do know that she had surgery. I did find out that her round 1 was Marco Soto, but I don't think that's who did her round 2. I have a name. I'm just not putting it out there until I know for sure.
Yeah, but when I say to myself though people, knowing that Spice is a very outspoken person, is something never really did wrong, viewers and subscribers. Me know Spice would have must come out and adjust this already. Even though people, some part of me still feel like say all of this is just a fraud and it is just a sham, it's just a publicity stunt. But because know Spice stay already, viewers and subscribers, this can actually really be a publicity stunt. Know so Spice is good with them thing, the viewers and subscribers, no doubt. Just like how in the past she did change her color and kind of trick everybody and everybody are run with it, and I said this and some people have said that, some people have said Spice bleach out and she not respect her color and be things people. So anyways, I don't know if this is a publicity stunt or I'm just saying it could be, viewers and subscribers, and we really hope that this is a publicity stunt also. All of this when me hear, viewers and subscribers, is not true. That is what me a wish. But people, listen to that video here and tell me what you think down into the comment section. Share your opinion, share your thoughts about it.
Hey everyone, I'm just here really quickly with a quick update on Spice. I promised you guys that I would keep you guys in the loop, and anytime I found anything out, I would let you guys know. I wasn't getting much updates, but I got one today and I have great news. I heard that allegedly she's doing a lot better and she's improving. So she's not quite out the woods yet, but she is improving, and that's what we hope for, right? When someone's having complications and they're going through issues medically, improvements are always a good thing. I'm so happy that she is more stable now, and when I continue to get updates, I will continue to let you guys know. Let's continue to send Spice and her family and friends a lot of light and a lot of prayer, because it's working and our girl is improving.
Also, viewers and subscribers, Beauty and the Surgeon posted on their Instagram page stating that, and I quote, "If anyone knows Spice family, please advise them to book an emergency flight evacuation immediately." Then later on, Pretty Dan also posted a picture with Spice and the caption said, "From your good, we good." Pretty Dan also commented and said, and I quote, "Spice told me personally that she is taking a couple months off social media, and that's a fact. I know she is fine and okay, but me just tired of them people here with them every kiss me teeth. If she leave social media, Uno said this and said that. All me know, Grace did right about Uno. As she do her first live, Uno same one, I go find something negative to say once more." So viewers and subscribers, for telling you the truth, right now, me no really know what really are going with the dancehall artist, because her booking agency came out a couple days ago and said that Spice is okay and she is fine and she never fallen in a coma. And you know, viewers and subscribers, other people come out and I say, yeah, true, she should fall in a coma for true, etc. The dancehall artist was doing a surgery and get an heart attack and then fall into a coma, etc., etc.
So, developing news out of the Dominican Republic, where dancehall queen Spice is currently in a coma and has said to be in a coma for the past 36 hours, resulting after a surgery, which created complications where she had a heart attack and then went into a coma. We saw people like Lady Saw go on her live to offer a prayer for Spice. It's still unclear as to like what the surgery was or what the complication may have been. So, you know, of course, right now she's in the care of her doctors. And then we also saw prior to this a few days back where Spice actually put up on her Instagram saying that she would be taking a break and would not be on social media for a while. So this coming up on the eve of such a post is leaving many questions in a lot of people's mind. Of course, Spice is somebody who is loved by a lot of people in the dancehall community and also from, you know, the entire world. A lot of people know Spice. So we're hoping she can pull through, be healthier, and come out on the other end of this. All right?
So right now, people, it is so unclear of the dancehall queen medical health, and we do wish that this is a publicity stunt, and if it's not, we just hope and pray for a speedy recovery for the dancehall artists, because you know, viewers and subscribers, at the end of the day, we don't want nothing to do Spice because they don't know, so we love Spice, etc., etc. But we just hope and wish the best for her. But all of this just look away and it just look sticky. Yeah, you understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers? Something about this not right. You understand? That is why I wonder if this is really a publicity stunt, because we don't know how Spice things set already. But as well, I say, we just hope and pray say this is not true, and all of this what we are here on social media is just for a publicity stunt, as what I said before, and etc., etc. But we just wish that this is not true. But anyways, people, share your thoughts and opinions with me down into the comment section about the situation, etc., and let me know what you think. Now in this other news, people, Rushane Patterson, the alleged killer of social media influencer Anika Slickianna Townsend, has been charged with offenses unrelated to Slickianna murder. Nationwide News has reported that the person of interest in the death of social media influencer Anika Slickianna Townsend has been charged with abduction and assault occasioning bodily harm in a separate matter. Rushane Patterson was slapped with the charges relating to a 2018 incident argument with an ex-girlfriend in Duane Park, St. Andrew. Reports are the 33-year-old Patterson, otherwise known as Chizzy, convinced an ex-girlfriend to meet him at a gas station along the Duane Park Main Road on Boxing Day 2018. According to the reports, once the girlfriend was in the car with him, Patterson showed her a picture of her present boyfriend and demanded to know how many times they've had sex. Patterson also reportedly accused the girlfriend of working with the police. Patterson reportedly drove away with the ex-girlfriend against her will before stopping along a roadway to choke her and hit the woman all over her body several times. According to the reports, Patterson demanded the woman to go to the ATM to withdraw money to give him. The woman reportedly refused the request, after which Patterson allegedly threatened to kill her and throw her body away. The woman reportedly convinced Patterson that she will not make a report to the police, after which Patterson reportedly took her back to the car and drove away. The woman subsequently reported the matter to the police. Patterson was taken into custody on Wednesday after failing to surrender to the authorities investigating the killing of Slickianna. He was asked to report to the police after being named a person of interest on October the 22, but he failed to do so. Patterson is to be questioned by the police in relation to Slickianna's murder, after which he was expected to be charged. In 2017, Patterson was freed of a 2014 murder, rape and abduction charge relating to an incident in Kingston after the prosecution main witness in the matter failed to attend court. Viewers and subscribers, after that news report, later on in the evening, Rushane Patterson attorney Michelle Thomas claimed that her client was beaten by the cops and questioned without her present. But viewers and subscribers, it's not really good for wish bad things from people, you know. But really and truly, him deserve the beating of the viewers and subscribers. Look how long this boy I try to deceive Jamaica and I make everybody think say him is Matthew, him is Rushane and all sort of things. So viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think. Share your opinion down into the comment section and voice your thoughts. Also remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so that you will be first to get notified whenever I upload any more content like this. So peace viewers and subscribers. I'm out.
I could never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me up on Jamaica.